So I wanted to do a quick video because I couldn't find any teardown videos online. This is basically the Weber key, and I wanted to see what the internals look like, so I decided to go for it. Basically, you have a very basic gearbox here on the top. Everything else, all the other YouTubers have already spoken about. The part they have not spoken about is the back, obviously. In order to get into it, I had to unscrew these two hex bolts at the bottom, and I just used a piece of wood and a hammer in order to bang on the top here. Bang right here in order to slide it up. So what that looks like is this entire piece slides right up like so. It does need a few taps along the side, along the top and the bottom, just to dislodge any stuck paint. And as you can see, I didn't actually damage any of the paint as I did this. What you see here is obviously the movement. Slide it up like so. First time requires a mallet. And then it pops right off. So that's the inside. That's the actual cast piece of aluminum. And inside it we can see power supply, which is the main circuit here on the front. We can see the big motor on the top, which is a step motor. And then here in the bottom, we can see the motor driver. So green Phoenix connector at the bottom is power. It gets 24 volts DC from the power supply. And then right above that is the power to the motor. And above that obviously is all of the Hall effect sensors for speed. Now the part that might be useful for repairability in the future is knowing what the pinout is. We have 6 connectors that are going to the motor controller. There's 2 sets of wires. Blue, red, and black. The black with the resistor under the heat shrink goes to the actual potentiometer. The second one is the power button, which is these 3. Red, orange, and black, and that goes to the actual on-off switch. I didn't actually meter them out, but I'm assuming that in this case, one of these 3 on the power button just illuminate the actual power light on it. That's basically it. There isn't any additional gearboxes inside. It's the direct motor and then the gearbox down to the actual burst set.